Last week Saturday, my phone rang in the morning. This call was, however, different from most calls I used to get. It was my long-time friend. He told me that his uncle of 60 years just had his left body paralyzed. The doctor said he has stroke, my friend said. They said that he cannot be operated, and that's why I called you to give me a second opinion. What kind of stroke does he have? I asked. He quickly asked the doctor and replied, Ischemic stroke. Then I explained to him, this type of stroke is caused by a blockage in an artery that supplies blood to the brain. If treatment is not given quickly, brain damage can be permanent. Then I continued, right now he needs treatment to unblock the artery. It is very important to control his blood pressure, blood sugar, and do physiotherapy. Thank you very much for your assistance, my friend said. Hours later, he sent me his uncle's medical history. He has been having high blood pressure for some decades. Being a busy uncle, he has never seen the doctor for health checkup. Later on, we had a very good conversation, and I told him, my friend, you know life is very delicate. We should all be health conscious. I will give you 3 rules that will guide you to taking care of your health. With this information, you will be better than 90% of people you see every day. Hippocrates said, a wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings and learn how, by his own thought, to derive benefit from his illness. People always say, I don't have time. I don't even think about it. I don't have money to run medical tests. These are some of the many excuses I get. But remember, the day you have stroke or any of these diseases, you can be handicapped. You'll be the main person that will bear the suffering, including psychological setbacks. Prevention is better and cheaper than cure. The cost of medical care is huge. Think about your family. You'll automatically become a burden. So remember, you must take a decision to take care of your health now. Rule number 1, take your health very seriously. Kofi Annan said, knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family. The next thing you have to do is to get information. Thanks to internet, there is abundance of information. Find the best doctor. The best doctor is not the most intelligent one, but the one you trust. Make him your long-term friend. Next, feed yourself with daily health information. You can get them on TVs, on radios. There are lots of podcasts and YouTube videos on health. And also you can read health articles. For example, National Institutes of Health, WebMD, NHS Direct, Mayo Clinic, Men's Health. So remember, take action. Stop watching now and subscribe to weekly newsletters of these websites. What are you waiting for? A real decision is measured by the fact that you have taken action. No action means you haven't truly decided. Rule number 2, get credible information. Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. There are many things to do after making this decision. You have to take appropriate steps to keep yourself healthy. For example, stop smoking, drug abuse, and drinking too much alcohol. Eat healthy. Exercise, target at least 30 minutes of physical activity every day. Schedule doctor visit for health checkup. There are recommended health screenings. For example, blood pressure at least once every year if you are between 40 to 64 years. You have to check your cholesterol. You have to consult the doctor if you have high body mass index. Are you between 50 to 75 years? If yes, then you should be screened for colon cancer. Remember, there are many diseases you have to take care of yourself. There are more information on the website. Your doctor friend will tell you if you need to do more of these screen tests like dental checkup, osteoporosis, etc. Document the results and your personal information. Keep it simple and neat. Also, you can use your phone with Notes app or notebook. When you finish, upload the files on your Google personal account or Dropbox for easy access. Update regularly and write down any important information you get from rule number 2. Do not trust your memory. It will fail you. Rule number 3, take action now. So these are 3 rules on how to take control of your health.